I'm so hungry, and you already know I want some pizza inside of my mouth hole. I don't fucking know. Hey guys, I'm Devin de Lima. I know I'm not alone in this at all, but there are certain noises that really annoy me. Sometimes they don't even just annoy me, they make me physically angry. Okay, so here are 6 different noises that just really irk me. And I'm not saying that I am never guilty of these at all, but they still really bother me. Number 1, snoring. Now, I don't think I snore. I might snore. I have shared rooms before with people who just snore really, really loudly. And it makes me just want to strangle you. Number 2, chewing. I remember when I figured out how much I hated this noise. I was in elementary school and my mom was trying to help me with some sort of homework I was doing, and she was eating something that was really crunchy, and the entire time she was trying to talk to me in between bites. And I remember I just said, no, never mind, I got it, and I just physically got up and left the room because I could not handle it. Stop! What are you doing? Number 3, brushing teeth. Now, I don't know where this one came from. I don't even know why it really bugs me. And it doesn't bug me when I'm doing it, but when I can hear someone else brushing their teeth, especially if it's an electronic one, oh, it makes my skin crawl, and I just, I can't even, oh my god, I gotta stop thinking about it, I gotta stop talking about it.
I was like texting that fucking slut Jessica, right? And like, are you brushing your teeth?
No.
Devin, you know how much that freaks me out. Oh my god, you are just like Jessica.
Number 4, fingernail clicking. I get that some people have a nervous tick or habit, and that's fine. But can you try to pick one that's not so annoying? Thanks.
And then she called me a fucking slut.
Yeah, but why would she say that to you? That doesn't
Oh my god, stop playing with your nails. I have enough going on right now.
Number 5, slurping. What is the point of that? Why are you doing that? That's not okay. The only times I've ever been able to tolerate this noise is during a tasting of some sort, like wine or coffee. But even then, it didn't bug me because I was doing it too. What are you doing? Just drink it. What is wrong with your mouth? How do people do that? Number 6, people having sex. I have lived in a few apartments over my time on Earth, and this has happened to me at every single apartment. I lay down, I'm about to go to sleep, I gotta get up early, something like that, and all of a sudden, there's noises from upstairs. It makes me so angry that I think about going upstairs, and then I kind of check with myself and being it's probably not a great idea, so I don't. But I have before turned into that old man with a broom and just knocking my ceiling. They didn't care. They were busy. So.
Damn, girl. You got one nice ass booty. Let me slap it. Oh, yeah, daddy. Wait. You're not gonna tell Jessica about this, are you? Girl, how I think I found you? Jessica said you was a slut. Oh, god damn it.
What? Okay, so that's all I have time for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I want to know, leave in the comments below, what noises really piss you off? Especially if they're strange. I want to hear some strange ones. Because I know from my personal experience, brushing teeth should not bother me as much as it does. Alright, I love you guys, and I will see you next Saturday for a brand new video. Later! I live. That's a great sentence. Number 6. And hope you do well till then. What am I doing? Alright, I'll see you guys next Saturday. Love ya. Wait, that's not my outro.